are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, it's time to do a healthy bagel version. Lazy Man is only a few ingredients. We'll show you in a minute. Been doing some thinking. Possibly, I'm going to start reading some viewer comments on the air. So I'll be bringing that to you. But for right now, I want to thank you for subscribing to F as in Frank, my podcast. We have various guests come on. A lot going on over here at the Scalfani household. A lot going on. So, F as in Frank podcast. Cooking with Jack. Jack on the Go restaurant reviews and Tech Time with Jack. Whew, I'm tired just mentioning it. Alright, so let's get started. This is keto and carnivore friendly, I think, if you're doing seasoning. If you're not doing seasoning, leave the seasoning out. Alright? So let's get you in close, then I'll show you the ingredients. We're going to take some already cooked chicken breast, some eggs, everything but the bagel seasoning, Parmesan cheese, and some donut trays. Okay? That's about it. So let's get it mixed up. We're going to start with the eggs. I'm making a double batch. Single batch is down below, just in case you're curious. Cheese. Oops. Chicken. And let's blend it all up. Okay, we're going to throw these in the oven and bake these. 375. 15 to 20 minutes. Got to keep an eye on it. Pull it out when you think it's done. But basically, I got seasoning inside them, but let me hit the tops. Okay, guys, they look beautiful. Don't know if they're going to taste like bagels, but we'll give it a try. They're cooling off right now. Trying to pop one out. All right, guys, time to be honest, because I always am. When these came out of the oven and I popped this out, it felt like a sous vide egg. That's right. But after letting it cool, it feels more like a bagel than it ever has. But it still doesn't seem like a bagel. Just saying. So let's give it a try. We've let it cool. It looks good. Smells good. It's not bad. But it's no bagel. It's more of a sous vide egg. Really good though. I can munch on that. Yeah. Not bad. But guys, we missed the mark. Excuse me. We missed the mark on getting close to a bagel. But we nailed it on flavor. So feel free to try it out. I love sous vide eggs. This is kind of comparable. So anyway, good recipe, not bagels. Take care. Love you. See you in the next episode.